Hello traders, Gary Wagner here at just about 1 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York. It is Friday. Happy Aloha Friday, as we say on the islands. It is the 8th day of October 2020, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. And what a way to end the week on such a positive note, with silver moving up about 6%, gold gaining about $40 on the day. Of course, we have active trades going on. We'll talk about those trades in detail, but first, let's take a look at closing prices for the day. This has certainly been a difficult week for gold bulls. We had a long position throughout the week. We got in at 1890. However, statements made by President Trump a few days ago took the market dramatically lower, and in fact took it to the lowest trading point this month. Over the next couple of days, we saw the market recoup, and then today we saw a tremendous upside rise, 1936.30, up $41.20. We did send out a special trade alert today, raising stops across the board. And as for our gold futures trade, long at 1890, we did move our stop. The exact stop itself was we moved our stop to 1909.30. My sense is that we know that we have very good support at 1900, but right around 30, these marks right here at 25, I do not believe that they will be breached if we continue to see an upward momentum, and that is the rationale behind moving the stops where we did. We also locked in almost $20 or $2,000 per contract in profits, regardless of what the market does from here. And traders, we are looking at spot or physical Forex gold up $35.76 at 1929.40. We entered our long trade at 1883.68, and today we moved our stop from 1847 up to 1907, and the low itself came in at around 1893. Traders, silver had a phenomenal move today, gaining almost 6% to $1.42, closing at $25.30. We entered our long December silver at $23.95, and we moved our stop to $24.50, formerly at $22.45. Maintain your current long as well as your new stop. The last two positions that we have are both ETFs, one in GLD, the other one in SLV. GLD closed up $3.23 per share, 181.08. We entered the trade itself at 178.03. We had a stop at 172.03, and we have now moved it to 179.80. And traders, lastly, SLV, we entered the trade at 22.66. We had a stop originally at $20.03. We have now moved that up to 22.03. Maintain all of your long positions. Maintain all of the new adjusted stops. So traders, the first chart I want to look at in terms of our technical studies is a daily candlestick chart of gold futures. What we can see, and it is quite apparent, is the fact that we continue to have that compression triangle. We can see that here. But most importantly, when we look at the upper level resistance line, which is this line here, we can clearly see that we broke above that particular price point, however, stalled at the 23.6% retracement, which resides at 1938. Above that, we have a series of tops that come in at 41, and with a brass ring right now, right around $2,000 per ounce. If the market continues to move higher, we will continue to raise our stops, but we will remain long. There are also other technical indicators that are indicating higher pricing ahead. And these studies are based upon lagging indicators, a moving average at 50 and a 100-day, along with the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence. We talked about the fact that the 100-day moving average, currently at 1866, is major support. We also see a next level of support at 1880. We did break above the resistance line. However, we've got to hit at least 1949 to break above the 50-day moving average. If and when that happens, that will return the short-term bullish sentiment into the marketplace itself. Lastly, take a look at the MACD. It is certainly in oversold territory and is issuing higher pricing again. And then lastly, take a look at this candle. This candle has no wick whatsoever. It opened on the low, it closed on the high. It is called a Marubozu. It is the most significant of all of these single candle types because of the fact that it opened at the lowest point and closed at the highest point of the day. And traders, unquestionably, we see parallels in the way that gold and silver have been reacting at certain price points. First, silver and gold both found support at the 100-day moving average. Secondly, we have seen a series of lows that have come in at the 38% retracement. Call this $23. We had almost a pure Marubozu in terms of the candlestick today, and we currently are pegging our resistance at 26.14 and 25.75. That particular band is between the 23% retracement and the 50-day moving average. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you on Monday for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.